Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway is being renewed. Over half a century has passed since this highway was opened. It has carried a vast amount of traffic for many years, and now it is time for renewal. This movie shows the renewal works of the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section and Samezu Reclamation area of Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway, a project that has attracted attention worldwide. Over 50 years have passed since the opening of the Metropolitan Expressway, and its major features are many viaducts and tunnels which require detailed maintenance work. The daily traffic volume is approximately 980,000 vehicles. It carries about 5 times more large vehicles than ordinary roads. Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway was constructed to improve access to Haneda Airport and the Tokyo Olympics of 1964. Route 1 Haneda line was constructed above the Keihin Canal, and it is easily affected by seawater and requires extensive maintenance. While conducting inspections and repairs regularly, tough operating conditions and the extremely corrosive environment have caused serious damage in numerous areas, such as crumbling concrete and the corrosion of steelworks. Consequently, it is necessary to remedy this situation and renew the structure to ensure long-term durability and make maintenance work much easier. We are engaged in renewal work to increase the distance between the bridge and seawater level, reducing seawater corrosion. Permanent scaffolding will be constructed to facilitate structural maintenance. The renewal work will extend for about 1.9 kilometers from the vicinity of the Samezu Driver's License Testing Center to near the Tennozu Isle Railway Station. After renewal, the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section will be a continuous steel plate girder structure, and the Samezu Reclamation area will be a banked road surface structure. Route 1 Haneda line has a traffic volume of 70,000 vehicles per day. Works must proceed while allowing this traffic flow to continue. To enable this traffic flow, the work started with the creation of a detour route between the former inbound and the revetment section. After this construction, traffic flow on the current inbound lane will be switched to this detour route. During the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, the detour road will be used as the inbound lane, and the renewed inbound lane will be the temporary outbound lane. It is not intended to use the former highway structures for inbound and outbound traffic. When renewal works are completed, the switchover to the renewed inbound and outbound lanes will be implemented. Then the detour section will be removed and all construction works will be completed. Renewal work between the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section and Samezu Reclamation area of Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway. We are committed to continuing to implement safe and secure construction work.